right, guys, we are going to move on to topic number 3. Let's see what we got here. This is going to be our video finds and whatnot from not video finds, from our Instagram and our Facebook. Let's see what we got. Okay, this one is by April, I think it's Buckman. Let's say Buckman. Let me tell you guys, this is my all-time favorite. When I say all-time favorite quilt block that I've run across thus far, this is my jam. I love, love, love the card trick. This is it. This is my quilt block. I don't know if I want to do a quilt with just nothing but card tricks. I don't know what I want to do with it, but I met this block in that sampler quilt that used to be behind me whenever I was doing my videos in the very beginning. I don't know. It's just something about it. Tell me, do you guys have you guys checked these out? Have you guys seen what? Oh, yay! Guess what? I got my very, very first super sticker. Okay, let me tell you, whenever somebody does a super sticker or a super chat or anything, this is what's gonna happen. Oh, I'm so excited. Aw. Okay, where are we at? My very first super sticker gets a very, very special thank you. You guys ready? Here it comes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Karen. I sure appreciate it. Oh, okay, and I saw another one too. You guys forgive me, this is my first one. So, that's my girl, Damo. What? Damo, let me get you. I got something for you. Let me see. Let me see what I got for you. Oh, I know what I got for Damo. Damo, thank you so much. I sure appreciate it so, so very much. Your super chats and super stickers just are going to help keeping this going along. You guys already know fabric is expensive, and so it's definitely going right back into the brand. All right, again, my favorite quilt block. Did you guys talk about this? Do you guys love this quilt block? Is it just me? Am I the only one? I don't know. Maybe it's the fact that it's an illusion. Okay, so enough about this. What else did I find? I love bright colors, but there's something about a Churn Dash, which is what this block is. I used it with that super traditional quilt that I did, and I don't know, it's something about it. Maybe it's the half square triangles, I don't know, but this color story, oh, she killed it, guys. Oh, she killed it. I'm so excited. It gives me, I don't know, it's the color story. I like brights. I like traditional stuff too, but the mix of the traditional and this color story, it speaks to me. I like it. It's bright, it's bold, but it's traditional. It's like a oxymoron. It's the duality of it, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, but I like it. And this one is by Jessica Quilter. She's got a presence on Instagram. We know her, and the way that she took this picture is just, oh, why can't I get a good picture like that, right? Okay, Quilting Jet Girl. This one stopped me in my tracks. When I found this, I didn't know what to do. And you guys are probably like, well, what, why? What? I'll show you. So at first I was like, is this like a snowflake or something? And I thought, oh, I should be able to do this. This is nothing but a couple of half square triangles, right? Yeah, right. It's all fun and games until you really get a little closer. So I'm thinking, okay, half square triangles right here, all the way back up, a square right there. I should be able to knock that out. But then it gets tricky right in here. Right? And I'm like, well, how did she, what? But what really drew me to this, where she really just knocked it out the park, is in the quilting. And I am not somebody who likes to do my own quilting. One of the reasons is the machine that I was originally sewing on was small. I like to do big quilts, and it's not my gift. It's not something that I love to do. I would be a digital quilter. I would love to go ahead and program what I want digitally in a computer system and then have it quilt up. I know that's me. I know that's my jam. Eventually, I am going to get a long arm machine. I've decided on which one I'm going to get, and we'll see. But right here, can you guys see it? she dropped some 12-way thread in the ditch. What? Who stitches in the ditch with 12-way thread? I've never seen this done before. This knocked my socks off. I'm here for it. You will definitely, I'll probably do this exact quilt. I'll probably change the color story. I mean, the greens are cool with this white. It's not a color story that I ever would have chosen or thought, but it goes. And this 12-way thread, what? She killed it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Go ahead with your bad self, Miss Quilting Jet Girl. Okay. Who we got next? Oh, this is her mock-up. So then she did a couple of different color stories. I like this blue. Maybe I'll do the blue one. Is there one that stands out to you guys that you guys see? Um, Shirley, you like card trick too? Well, the stuff that you do, I love your stuff too. So I already know that you and I would be simpatico on many, many things. Aw, Karen, thanks. I think I've actually got another one coming, Karen. So keep your eye out for another Disney quilt. So this is her mock-up. I like the orange one, but then it's against black, and so of course I would like it. You guys, Bren. Oh, Bren, look at this. So already the color story, I'm here for it. Let's look. And he's got like this, it's like a study that he's doing right now where it's just tons and tons of strips. And I'm like, okay, cool. But it's the way he tells his color story. I mean, it's just something magical that he's got. He does not have a huge following, so don't think that the people that you tag me in need to have a huge following or anything like that. I don't care. Good is good is good, and this is good. He's doing a gradient, and you might be like, yeah, but no. No, that's a special. There's something very, very special about the way that he put these colors together. If you gave me all these colors, I don't know that I would have thought to do it. And look how he got funky down the center with this gray strip and then the smaller strip and then the bigger strip. You guys, Bren is one to watch. I really, really, really think that he is going to super surprise us coming up. Look at the way that he told this color story. I've been staring at it constantly, constantly. So I get it. So we've got some pinks that gradiate to right here, and then he jumps into these oranges. I'm like, all right, I can handle that. I can handle these grays. So we go from the lighter gray to the black. But where he got me was over here in this corner. I'm like, how? What made you grab these pinks and put them in this order against this blue? He can tell a color story. So I grabbed a couple of his. I was on his page going ham. And then there's this one. I always say, I'm like, what? What? Brown? Who? Not me. Never. I want to do this exactly color for color. I want it. I want it bad. I don't want it for my husband. I want it for me. I want to pick each and every one of these strips and duplicate this quilt exactly. It speaks to me. It's simple. I love stripes. I love polka dots. It calls my name, and it's an ombre. But who would think to do a brown ombre? I have never in my life thought to do a brown ombre. Never. But this, and I'm like, how is he cutting it? Because this looks like this right here is a salvage strip. So is he cutting just long strips? Because this doesn't appear to be pieced. And I don't know how large this is, but obviously he's my new obsession. You guys get it. I'm sure you're like, yeah, this is a you kind of quilt. I'm sure you guys are like, yeah, it looks like something you would like. But again, follow me on Instagram. Tag me on the things that you want me to see. Tag me on your friends' posts. Whatever you want to do, let me know, and I will talk about it. All right, moving on to, I believe this is the last one. So this is a pattern by Apples and Beavers. It was done by Sarah in Stitches. She actually did a couple of different variations of this dragon. I was stalking this woman for this pattern. She released it so early. I hate when people say that they're going to release stuff and it's early because I'm like, no, I want it right now. I want it right this very second. I can't wait. I have no discipline when it comes to waiting. I wanted this immediately, immediately. I would hit her up daily. Like, is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? And then she drops it and I've got 50 other quilts that I want to do because, it's always another pattern that I see and that I want to do. So my mother has been asking me to do a quilt for her forever, and so she's actually going to get this one. She doesn't know that she's going to get it, but she's going to get this quilt. She needs a baby quilt. I'm probably going to drop a name right here. So since she's released this, and she only released it maybe a month ago, but she's got some different variations. She's got some different sizes. She originally just released this size, and I like this color story. It's very primary. I like primary colors. One was for her son, one was for her daughter, and her daughter, I think, got a purple one. I think I'm going to do this dragon in grunge fabrics. Yeah, because I don't think I want it in straight solids. I don't think. Hey, Alicia, you made it though, right? I think this dragon is dope too. I'm here for it. All right, let's see. Where are we going next? Okay, so we have talked about what I have found. Again, if you see something that you like on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, tag me so that I can go ahead and check it out, and we will go from there. So now we're going to move on to our next topic, and I think that is notions. Yeah.